What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a review for Macarons.slimes, and here in my package I have not gotten into anything yet. I just opened it so you guys are seeing it first. First thing I see is the care sheet. It came with, of course, the business card, a candy, pack of borax, and it just tells you how to do everything if the slime is messed up or anything at all. And then here's the slime. I ordered up, and I think it's a foam slime. I got an 8-ounce, and I'm just gonna open it up. It looks like some slime leaked, so let's see how that is. Okay, so the slime actually ended up taking off the business sticker, or the logo sticker. So that's all good, but as you can see, ended up taking some of it off, but that's alright. Okay, so this is the slime. There's a little bit that came out, even though I'm so confused on how, because it was completely bubble wrapped, as you guys could see, so maybe she just overfilled it a little bit, but see the slime. So there's some big colorful foam beads, and it's a little stiff just because it's very cold outside, so it's not going to be like the stretchiness it would be at a later time. It smells like, it doesn't smell like Fruit Loops, it smells like a perfume or something. I can't really tell what the scent is, but it smells very good. Very nice bubble pops, very thick, and a very nice texture. Even though it's cold, it's still perfectly stretchy, and all together just as it would be right when she sent it off. So really love this slime. Overall, I'll give this slime a 10 out of 10. Very good, very thick, exactly what it had said in the item description. And I really love it, especially since it's based off of Up, which is like the greatest movie. So I really like the concept, and I really like the slime. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm actually doing a review soon of Sangria slimes again, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. A little crack right there, and yeah, so it's not just that she overfilled it, it just had cracked, so yeah.